Hey guys, Adi here from Fusion Suite. Now, if you're watching this, you're probably coming through our website or maybe an ad or whatever it may be. This video should clear up a lot of questions you might have about what exactly we do, how it works, all that. So what we do is we help gyms in the UK with their client acquisition, and what that means is we help you fill up your gym, and we do that using Facebook ads. Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking, oh, we've heard this before, right? Now, the thing is, we do things a little differently because we don't just do ads, but we do ads with a bit of sales coaching as well. And another thing is, we do it with high end programs. So, what that would mean is, we don't offer, you might have worked in an agency before and they got you a ton of leads with, a 7-day pass, 20-day free trial, whatever it may be, right? And so, we don't do any of that. We only offer high end packages like 4 week, 6 week courses, programs, things like that. And so what happens is you essentially attract the type of clients you want to attract, which is A, the people who'll actually stick with you, and B, the people who are willing to pay you. On average, our leads, the ones who do get converted, they stick on around 70-80% of the time, which is a good percent, right? Now that being said, how exactly do we do this? Like I said, we use Facebook ads. So once we actually get connected and we talk to each other about what exactly we want to do, we'll then move on and we'll talk about what sort of creatives we require from you, right? So that might be a video, that might be some photos, and we'll ask you for it. We'll give you examples and we'll give you the script and all that. You just have to record it or you send it to us. You don't really have to worry about the ads, which is why we're working together in the first place, right? So once you send that to us, we'll go through it. We'll see what works, what doesn't, we'll edit it, and we'll essentially just manage all of the ads for you. The leads will start coming in, right? Now, usually what we've seen is we've never seen it taking longer than 24 hours. So we usually launch ads at 7 in the morning and you start getting leads by a maximum of 7 the next day. But usually it comes around either right in the morning, so right after we launch, or maybe around the evening time, because that's when people are usually scrolling. And so once the leads come in, you get SMS notifications or you get email notifications based on your preference. I'm sure you're probably wondering, what exactly do I say on the phone? Right? So that's the part where we come in and train you. We'll give you our scripts, which are known to work with other gyms in other areas, right? And we'll listen to your sales recordings and we'll give you tips on it and essentially show you how to take a lead from just a lead to a sale and then finally a member. We do have a bunch of other things like automations, email blasts, things like that, but the main thing we do is ads, right? And we get you members and leads and essentially just revenue. So what we do is we offer a 14-day free trial. We call it the test drive program. And essentially what that happens is for the 14 days, we don't take any service charges, fees, or commissions. All you'll have to pay for is the ads themselves, which is like the cost of a meal, honestly. It's like anywhere between 10 to 20 pounds a day. And once you've sorted that out, we work with you for free for 14 days. And so that way it builds some trust on both ends, and we can also see if you're the type of client we want to work for. At the end of the 14 days, if you're interested, we can work together. Paid service, obviously. And if not, you can just give us a testimonial for the service and then we can call it quits, right? Either way, everyone wins, everyone's happy. So that's exactly what we do. If you guys have any more questions about anything specific, feel free to message us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you'd like, we've got a couple of testimonials, definitely check them out. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a good day and take care. I'll see you soon.